The SANYO DENKI America Assembly Facility is an ISO 9001 certified factory where we provide advanced designs and manufacturing solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. We offer a variety of value-added assembly services ranging from simple connector addition to more mechanically intricate assemblies. With local design engineering, we have everything you need for your equipment or device. We also produce custom cable assemblies without motors or fans and provide machining and cutting capabilities to meet your requirements. We assemble batteries into UPS to shorten lead time and reduce cost, and UPS customizations are also available. The assembly facility is equipped with a Class 10,000 clean room and full QC lab. Once products are finished, we perform a complete quality inspection, including a functionality test of all finished products. Finally, products are shipped to ensure parts arrive safely without functional or cosmetic damage. To find out more, contact your local representative.